dị Igbo mma. Agụ ọbụla na-eri nnu agaghị adị Igbo asị. Na onye ọbụla chere Igbo ihe ọjọọ ga-esi ya. Na onye ọbụla si na Igbo agaghị adị ya adịkwa na. Mana anyị ga na-aga n'ihu. Biko ndị niile bịara ebe a sị m ụnụ daalụ nọ.
Hi everyone, so today I have with me
Afambo Mazi Kenneth Azubike.
Okay, and what community are you part of?
I see Coventry.
Okay, alright.
Nona West Midlands, United Kingdom.
And what are you looking forward to the most about today's event?
Egwuregwu ndị Igbo. And eyime akwa ndị Igbo. And ọganihu ndị Igbo. Ime ka ndị Igbo showcase their culture. Ihe eji mara ndị Igbo. And imekwa ka ụmụaka anyị dịka onye a na-eme m interview. Ihe ha ga-look forward to. Mara na ndị ha nwere mmadụ, n'Igbo nwere mmadụ, n'Igbo amaka. And onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo kwesịrị ịdị proud of himself. Dịka ụmụaka anyị a now. Ka ha nwee identity. Mara na ha bụ ndị Igbo. Ọ ihe ekwoyiwe this festival. Ọkwa ihe anyị na-look forward to. That at the end of the day, ndị Igbo anọkọ nwe aṅụrị. Ụmụaka ya enwekwa na identity na United Kingdom.
Today I've got with me
Mrs. Abigail Wanko.
And do you want to tell us what community you're part of?
I am from Orumba North and South Local Government, Anambra State.
Okay.
Precisely, I'm from Ajale.
Oh, okay.
So we are here today for Igbo Day celebration. So today is meant for all Igbos.
All Igbo people.
Yeah, Igbos.
Only Igbo people here.
Yeah, not only.
Yeah, well, all Igbos.
Worldwide.
And what are you looking forward to most about today's event?
The activities, to meet my friends.
Yeah,
you know.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day out as well,
lovely
isn't
day.
it?
Maka ika money give santa egeli gabra kwa kanta meno na bola na recession ebendo usaga hiya saka programa o megide kutudio ba oge weputalo gitemba oni si ule ba manu masana na loge be.
Would you like to introduce yourself today?
Yes, Izuna Ozokwe. I'm a medical practitioner.
Okay.
And I'm also a titled man from Oguta. In Imo State, Obuago.
Okay, so what community are you here to represent today?
Well, really, I'm here to represent the whole of Igbo community because I'm here as a special guest.
Oh, okay.
You know, I was invited by one of the by the organizers. You know, but of course, like I said, my community Oguta is here. They have a stand. and I've already been to say hello to them. But here to represent the whole of the Igbo community.
Of the Igbo community. Yeah. So what are you most looking forward to about today's event?
Well, it's really about togetherness, about promoting Igbo culture, you know, and understanding who we are, you know, as a Igbo community, you know, because whether you like it or not, Igbo is a very, very powerful force in Nigeria.
Okay, so could you please introduce yourself for us today?
My name is Nnamdi Okubanego. I'm the president of NTDU.
Okay, so that's the community that you're here representing today, And what are you looking forward to the most about today?
The most important thing is that I just want to see how, you know, Igbo people get together, you know, share.
Today I'm with
Mrs. Ezinne Ezechi.
Okay, and what community are you here representing today?
I'm representing Elite Golden Ladies.
Okay.
It's a Igbo women organization. We support charities both in London here and Nigeria. And at the same time, I'm stand for Orumba community where I'm married.
So what are you looking forward to regarding today's event?
Today's event is a kind of gathering all the Igbo people together. It's a culture because our culture is really going. And the present Igbo people this time around are really worried. They just want to gather everybody together, more especially the new generation, for them to make sure that our culture did not go, and for them to see actually, because some of our children have not been to our country for some years. So this particular event is a very important event in Igbo culture for our children to see actually what culture is all about. For example, the dress I'm wearing is Isiago. This is the first time my children was asking what's the significance of Isiago, and I told them it's an Igbo attire and everything, and they've seen it today, but the beads and everything so colorful and so united.
No, you're looking good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's Gazi Craft Productions.
People go to see. Mazi Francoti. Okay. Henry Agentin.
On the base and on the base.
They are not here, so we suspend it with the rest of the people.
Asanwa, baby. You see how we blick on that baby.